If you follow my full advice, you are going to make $1.7 million with just $400. Hi guys, your friend Adeyemi Oluwaseyi is here. So today I want to talk to you on how to make cool money from royalq application. All right, and as you know, if you are watching me in Nigeria, you know what is going on in our nation right now. That things is, the way thing is going right now, the cost of living is going crazy up, is going higher and higher every blessed day. You know that. Then now what I want to talk about the royalq is we want to have a challenge of $400, $2,400 to $1.7 million, $1,753,000, $199,050. And if you have $200 at the end of this challenge, you are going to make $876,000, 599.75 Then if you now have just $100, all right, you are going to make $438,000, 299.87 So you can see that if you cannot afford to start with $400, you should be able to have $200. Okay, if you cannot have $200, you should be able to have at least $100 to get started, right? You should be able to have at least $100 to get started, and at the end of this challenge, you are going to make $438,299.87. That's what you are going to make. All right, this challenge that I'm talking about is a legit something, on royalq. So this is not, I have done all my research, I have done everything. You don't need to crack your brain. Everything that I'm supposed to do, I have done it, and this is a done deal system. This is a done deal something. This is a done deal something. So this is not something that you will be thinking, is it possible? $100 to $438,000, $400 to make $1.7 million. Yes, I want to tell you that this is 100% possible. Yes, 100% possible, because I have done all the research, I have done everything, all my assignments, everything has been done. All right, everything has been done. Okay, so now this is what I want to do. Either you are watching me in Nigeria or outside Nigeria, and this system that I'm talking about is going to work for everybody. Yes, everybody. And as you know, on this channel, Adeyemi Oluwaseyi channel, this channel is talking about entrepreneurship, right? How to make money. I show you opportunity to make money, either free opportunity or paid opportunity, right? So if you are new to this channel, I want you to click on the subscription button, click on the notification button, click on and like this video. I want you to share this video with your friends so that they can benefit from this massive challenge that is going to change everybody's life. Are going to join me in this challenge journey. All right, so now I'm gonna make a full course on how royalq works. Yes, I'm going to make a full course on how royalq works, because a lot of people, they have been thinking that royalq is not working. Yes, that royalq is not working. Royalq is working. And why did I like royalq is that your money is going to be in your pocket. You keep your money in your pocket, you keep your money in your wallet. You're not going to give anybody your money, you are not going to rely on any company, and you still be making money on every day. Yes, every day from this application right now. So I'm going to make a full course, and what I'm going to do on free course is, let's just say the outline, just listen very well. The first thing I'm going to treat is how royalq works. I'm going to treat that very well. Then how you are going to connect royalq and Binance. I always use Binance. I love Binance very well. So I'm going to make a full course. But part of what I'm going to treat is how to connect royalq and Binance. Then the best trading settings to make even up to 100% monthly profit. Yes, I'm going to do all these things that I'm talking about. Yes, then I'm going to teach you the hidden secrets Yes, the hidden secret to make over $5,000 aside your trading without any stress. The hidden secret that people do not know. So if you are ready to join this journey with me, this is what I'm going to do. Just check the description below. You are going to see a Telegram group there. All right, the Telegram group. You just join this group. This group is for the challenge that I'm talking about. If you know that you are ready, you want to join me, on this journey, all you need to do is just to go to the description button right down now. So then click on it and join. By the time I finish this focus, then I'm going to drop it there. Yes, I'm going to drop it there. Then we are going to start our journey. Look at this office. Just watch the video below. This is the office. I've already, get an apartment, all right, where we are going to be doing training on a daily basis. So just to help you, not only because of me, but to help you to make good money from this business. I said I want to show you the hidden secret to make at least $5,000 or every month without the trading. So your trading will be going, then you will still be making some free money somewhere, right? So you are going to so there's some free money. I have people that is doing $300,000 naira every day of this free money. Yes, 300,000 every blessed day. I have someone that is doing that. So guys, I don't want you to joke with this. All right, I don't want you to joke with this. This is a greatest opportunity. All this video that I've been doing, I have not been shouting like this because I'm shouting so that you will not say, I don't want you to miss this train. All right, I don't want you to miss this train. So what you need to do is just to like this video, subscribe to my channel, then join the group now. Because by the time I have about 30 to 50 people, I'm going to I can remove this video, I can delete this video, and those are the people that I will be working with. And at the end of this challenge, I know their life is going to be a new turnaround. Great turnaround. Thank you very much. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun. So if you are new to this channel is all about teaching people and show them different opportunities, either free or paid, to make money for themselves. All right, so I want you to click on the subscription button and click on the notification bell, so that whenever I drop a value content like this, you be one of those people that YouTube is going to notify that, oh, Adeyemi just dropped a new banger on his channel. Thank you very much. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun. Bye.